To the S2R show live trading. We are now going to see what is the status of our trades. So let's go to our accounts. Now this is the Angel account where we have lost. So now it is the time to square off the positions. So let's see. So here we have a loss of 9,000 rupees, and here uh, we have a profit of around 8,500. So we can still wait for around 2-3 minutes. No, we should square off the position. Okay, so we have square of the position at market rate. This is the intraday position, so we want to convert it to, okay, can't convert it to market. uh, Position converted. So here I can, but I can reduce one lot. This order is pending, so I will modify it. And I will convert this position converted. So finally we had a loss of around 9,000 in Angel account and a profit of 13,000 in Zerodha account. So I hope you like the video. So I have made this series starting today. So we made around 4 videos. This is the fourth video, which is the final video, where we are sharing the final outcome of the positions we made. Initially in the morning we had sold Nifty with a view of a slight downside, but the market went up, and we had a position with Reliance in option writing. So we made a profit of around 3, 4, 5,000 rupees. We were at profit. So to cover the position in Angel, we did hedging through um, Nifty weekly options. So we sold Nifty 12,500 put, and now overall we are in profit. So if you like the video, please do like it and subscribe my channel. And if you want to open the account in Zerodha or Angel, because I'll be showing you the interface as well. So when we do the trading, so if you like Angel or Zerodha, any of the accounts, so you can open with us, and the link is given below. Thank you very much for watching the video. So we will meet on Monday. Monday is 16th, on 16th, or maybe on the Muhurat trading. So till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching the S2R show live trading.